Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how long it takes me to eat this. So let's get started. That took 3 minutes and 4 seconds. That wasn't even a full muffin. Sorry. I'm going to try to eat a full cupcake muffin. Oh, never mind. That took 3 minutes and 5 seconds. That took 3 seconds and 4 seconds. 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Oh my god. Hey guys, I'm going to be trying to eat a full muffin under 5 seconds. I'm just not going to put the 5-minute thing in. Please comment, like, and subscribe and comment on which blooper you liked the most. So, thanks for watching. I'll give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time.